This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be looking at HEX. What is HEX? HEX is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum Network. HEX is designed to be a store of value to replace the certificate of deposit as the blockchain counterpart of that financial product used in traditional financial markets. HEX is also designed to leverage off the emerging DeFi or decentralized finance ecosystem and cryptocurrencies within the Ethereum network. HEX uses the Ethereum network for the transaction layer, sending and receiving HEX tokens, as well as interacting with the HEX smart contract, while the consensus code and staking mechanism is contained in the HEX smart contract. HEX allows the user to stake his or her HEX coins for a share of the new HEX coin issuance or inflation, and contains features designed to incentivize behaviors that encourage price appreciation and disincentivize behaviors that encourage harm to the price. The HEX smart contract penalizes stakers for ending their stake early and rewards them for staking larger amounts of HEX for longer periods. What makes HEX unique? HEX is the crypto equivalent of a certificate of deposit, CD, but instead of locking away your money with your bank and getting 4%, you can lock away your money and get up to 40% annual return, as well as profit from the value of the token going up. In order to earn interest, you first buy HEX, then you stake it. In other words, you are locking up your HEX for a period of time. The longer that you stake, the more interest you make on your money. Why would you want to lock up your money? If you need access to your money and are focused on trading crypto for short-term gains, HEX is not for you. If you want to hodl and let your money produce more money, then HEX's model is a good choice. HEX is primarily for those who, number one, want to have interest earned on their money, and number two, want to benefit from any increase in the price of the token. These are two very crucial points. And as you can see here, we can see the steps on how to purchase HEX on the HEX website or platform. Now, if we look here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that HEX, as of 9/9/21 Thursday, is currently ranked number 201 out of over 8,000 altcoins on the market today. Its market cap currently is just under $81 billion. That's billion with a B. And if we look here, we can see that the current price per HEX token is 46 cents. And if we look here, we can also see that the total supply of HEX is 633 billion. That's again with the B. And the circulating supply, which we can see on top here, is 173 billion HEX, which are currently in investor hands. There are currently over 200,000 investor wallets that have HEX tokens that they're holding. Now, if we look here, this is Richard Hart, the founder of HEX. And as we see here, he's got over 100,000 followers. So this is the man that is responsible for the founding of the HEX platform as well as the token. Now, if we look here, this site is called HEXstaking.com. I happen to pull this up there They give a lot of very detailed points about HEX, the benefits of holding HEX, how it works, common concerns. And again, this site is called HEX Staking, STAKING.com. And it is a good resource to see all the bullet points into the benefits of holding HEX. The critical qualifying questions. Number 1, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number 2, what is its market cap? Number 3, what is the total token supply? Number 4, who is the CEO? Number 5, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community? Now, these 6 questions must be asked and answered by you each time you are considering investing in any token or any coin, period. Now, if you want to buy some HEX, you can do so several different ways. Number 1, install MetaMask and Uniswap as well. You purchase Ethereum, you can do so on any exchange, including Coinbase or Crypto.com and many others. You send that Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Then you go to Uniswap and you launch that app. And there you will find HEX, or you can go straight to the HEX.com site. But again, you're going to need Ethereum to purchase HEX. Okay. As you can see here, this is the official website for HEX purchases, HEX.com. Now also, in addition, you can also purchase HEX at xt.com, bitcoin.com as well, but the two that I would definitely recommend would be hex.com and Uniswap. Now, in addition to tokens, you have to make sure that you protect your crypto. Leaving them on any exchange for an extended amount of time is not safe and it is not smart. There have been numerous reports of people having their crypto stolen because currency exchanges have been hacked in the recent weeks. Ledger.com, one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. We've included a link in the description of this video as well as on our About page. Once you purchase your cold storage wallet, you move your crypto from any exchange that it's on onto your wallet. You take that wallet with you anywhere in the world with you, and your money is with you at all times. You have your own personal bank. Not a bank account, but your own personal bank. Now, Ledger is headquartered in Paris, France, so your wallet will be coming directly shipped from France. One thing I have to also strongly suggest, do not purchase a cold storage wallet from any third-party seller, Amazon, eBay, or the like, because you're not the original owners. Someone has owned your wallet before you, meaning they will have access to your money, so do not ever do that. Please. The only way to be secure is to purchase directly from the manufacturer. Now, in addition to this, we've also included $40 in free crypto from Coinbase just for using our link and signing up and creating a new account with them, as well as $25 in free crypto from crypto.com for setting up an account as well. Also, be sure to get your CryptoKernels merch. And if you receive value from our channel and our videos, contribute to the content. The more that you contribute, the more that we're able to provide you with even more valuable crypto kernels. And make sure you like and subscribe and share the video. Until next time, get in there and make it happen. I'll see you next time.